Alright, here we go again. Another graphics card teardown. We're moving on to the next one. We're just banging these out today. Right here we have an FX 380. Just a Quadro FX 380. It's going to be a really simple, straightforward card, but I do these so people know what they're getting themselves into, because even the simplest card can have a couple surprises on them. Just saying. So we're going to actually start by removing this fan cable right here. I would like to start by doing that. In fact, you probably don't even need to do this. For a card like this, you don't even need to probably remove this just to replace thermal paste. I would recommend it, but you probably don't. I forgot to mention what we have. We have some fine tip tweezers, regular Phillips head just in case, size 5 hex screw or hex bit, and a regular Phillips head. So I'm going to start by, wouldn't that be funny if I broke one of these on camera? Now that we've done that, we're going to move to the back and we are going to take off, sorry, move that out of the way, move that out, okay. These 4 screws. And I believe this is a die GPU, so you want to take these in a crosswise pattern. So, loosening 1 a little bit, loosening 2 a little bit, and going like that, and like that. And then you repeat the process until you're done. And this should just come off. These are really simple. Yes, it was a die GPU. So, a little dust here and there, but otherwise it's pretty pristine card. So now we're going to take these off. This I/O plate off because I love pissing people off. And we're going to do it this way because I am in a time crunch. I'm not sure what time it is. I don't really care. But I have, I believe, how many teardowns do I got left? I think I have 2 more. As well as we need to take out this screw right here. I always hate rushing. I always forget things when I'm rushing. But I had a lot of unforeseen stuff today, so, and I needed to do videos today. I'm out of videos. So that is completely torn down. It doesn't need any new thermal paste or anything, so we're going to set it off to the side, of course. And then in order to take this off, there's a couple things you can do. We're just going to take off the cooler itself, which I don't believe this regular Phillips head will do it. I had not realized that these were going to be a little... So you will need a very tiny bit to get these off. And you can get one of these sort of things with a very tiny, like, iPhone teardown, like, bit set. They're really easy to find on Amazon. And not that badly priced. iFixit has a great kit, in my opinion. Just a long silence. All we got. You may even want something a bit bigger than this, honestly, because this might be too small. So then this should just lift off. It's a little tricky. Sure as heck doesn't want to come off. It's almost like, I wonder, so this was one I did not prepare for. See, this is why you always look up a teardown and review it before you do an actual teardown. See, sometimes I go in blind, sometimes I prepare. Really depends on how my schedule is going. So now we're going to take off all these screws right here. Because it leads me to believe there might be a hidden screw underneath here, which just further compounds on my point that you should always review a card before tearing it down. Aha! See? There's a hidden screw right there. If I had wrenched that off, I would have ruined this GPU. Now, otherwise, that's how you get this heatsink out. I'm not going to bother. It's just one screw. So, and I've got more important things to do right now. So that's how you tear apart an FX 3080. I believe this might be just, I don't think this is OEM. So, always make sure you review, oh, there's a little dust. Always make sure you review what you're tearing down before you actually do it, because going in blind is never a good idea, in my opinion. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this helps somebody, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.